Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to install a ceiling fan? Well, you landed in the right place. I'm going to show you how. So let's get to work. All right, that's it. What do you guys think? This fan turned out great. And as you can see, it was a simple project to do, 9 simple steps. Anybody could do it, and you could have a new ceiling fan yourself. If you could, go ahead and subscribe if you like this content, and you'll be able to see what I'll be putting out in the future. And until next time, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.